Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair, guys. We made that channel special for you guys. We're going to make videos on every single car we get at the garage. We're going to make videos about every single fuse, guys. So if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, you have a bad fuse for, let's say, crankshaft position sensor, you're not able to start your car, let's say you can just Google Ford F-150 crankshaft position sensor fuse. You'll be able to find it on our channel if we had that car in the garage, guys. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to make your life easier and to save you money, guys. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video. We're constantly working on things here at the garage. You can see we do things, guys, such as bodywork, engines, transmissions. We take everything apart practically, guys. We're constantly building things, and if you want to see more mechanical videos, you can find out more information on our other YouTube channels. We have, guys, quite a few thousand subscribers. Auto Repair, guys, is approaching 700,000 subscribers. The other one are approaching 250 and 200,000 subscribers. So we, guys, built quite a bit of audience, and we have helped all these people save money. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll try to make your life easier and save you money as well. Thank you guys for watching us.